Change to share structure and members register. Step-by-step procedure. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps for share allotment and transfer, key for maintaining a compliant share register. Allotment of shares. The allotment process includes receiving applications, director approval, issuing share certificates, lodging forms with ASIC, and updating the members register. Transfer of shares. For share transfers, the transferee and transferor sign a transfer form, directors approve it, forms are filed with ASIC, and the register is updated. Always ensure compliance with the Corporations Act 2001. Maintain accurate and up-to-date records, especially for non-cash allotments and stamp duties. For specific questions, seek professional legal advice. Keeping your share structure and member register compliant is essential for smooth business operations. For more details, visit companychanges.com.au. You can also call us on 02-9684-4199 or email us at sales@companychanges.com.au. Thanks for watching.